In today's video, I'm just going to share a little bit of my work in gold. We did move into a key support decision today on the daily chart of April gold, and it mostly came from this prior high to low swing, which was $40.40, projected from the recent high that was made up at an extension. This decline was slightly more at $41.50, but it was very similar, and it also just happened to overlap a 50% retracement. Now, this prior decline was 3 trading days, and this most recent decline was 4 trading days. So those moves are also similar in time. So that's one of the reasons why I was looking for a possible buy entry in GLD or gold futures this morning. But let's take it down to some lower time frame charts and see what else was there. So on a 120-minute chart, I found a couple things. Besides that support, we had some prior swings that were similar in time. We had a prior decline that was 23 bars down, compared it to this swing of 23 bars down, compared it to this swing of 24 bars down. So very similar. So there was some timing at that last low. But with that being said, yes, we did have a nice rally. But look at what we need to clear if this low is any good. We basically need to rally for more than all these prior rally swings. And the largest one is $14.20. Notice that after we made this low, we did have a rally of $13.70. So if we projected the $14.20, that actually comes in just a little bit higher at $1237.20. It also overlaps a 1618 extension of another swing, a 786 of another swing. And bottom line, this is going to be a pretty important decision. If the rally from this most recent low is going to continue towards those higher targets that I have on the daily chart, this is the next decision that needs to be cleared. Okay, and if it's not, then this is where I'm going to tell you to ratchet up stops if you took the buy off of this last low. Now you can also look at a possible short against this same zone if you do not clear this area and you start to see sell triggers against it. That's another trade that you could look at. Bottom line, I'm not going to tell you where the market's going, but I am going to give you key price support and resistance decisions to take trades against with triggers. That's basically how you make money with this work. And if you have any interest in this, I just added a banner on the front page of my site that will give you Danielle's documents, and she will basically walk you through how you use some of these setups if you're new. Basically from trade setup to trigger and then managing the actual setup. Everybody have a great weekend. I will see you next week.